boy when me freak out can't shame me. Oh. So you why you talk about batty, man? Remember my finger all the batty will me a fuck. I make you go, you have to do that to turn me on. So I don't know what you think like, I don't know what you do. Me I do a threesome with man. Me I do a threesome in a bed with man. Oh. You suck my mother pussy, my sister pussy, everybody pussy you suck. I am a freak out, Jakes, a my little freak. Freak him out back. I want me not be there to suck my pussy. You don't know way? You don't know blood clot way? You don't know way? You don't know come back for me feed her day. You don't know way? Eh? You don't know way? Your face now my pussy, my finger, your body all up and I'm just push back every night blood clot. You don't know blood clot way? You don't know way? You don't know way? I'll piss for you, you don't know way? You know there no way. I'm just telling mama that I will go live out the gully. You know there no way. No boy with me freak out, no there no way. See I run come like your things. You know there no way. No way you know there. You're waste man. My man mockers. Rosealee pretty like a freak. When him start him live on the type, Rosealee, pretty little freak. You don't know way? You don't know blood clot way? You have to take out your clothes them. You make a lie, you call upon phone. Video go on live and video in there. And you have to take out your clothes them. When me buy you. You have to go to close them. When me buy, you have to go to close them and go on. Every rat shit that I drive, come back, come sit and clean it out. So when I carry Aliyah in my bed, Friday night, you never know someone that know. Eh? When I carry Dasha belly, Aliyah will walk and suck wood like dog and clean the whole I see you. Mother go start to fuck and breed from she 14. And the baby dead. And she having a 5 year in her blood clot and the little thinking one day and I'm bed go fuck her and suck her pussy Friday night. I think wouldn't know. Oh, you're bright, so. Ain't on my bed. You're over here hustle your money. You not go carry one hotel room. Look how much hotel room the outer 3 mile. Carry one hotel room. No, you have her on my bed. Because when me I leave, I have some clothes on the bed. And when I come back, the sheet black and dirty. The pillowcase black and dirty. And I see the clothes in the chair. So I say, if the clothes in the blood clot chair, that means you can't woman in here. Because I left the clothes on the bed. So you, Aliyah, suck good and you suck pussy. Yeah, leave. Yeah, leave. Take up the things I'm going with the things them. You been take out your clothes them from the other day. You never have no clothes over there. Because you been take out your clothes them from the other day. You been take out your clothes them from the other day. So you don't have no clothes in there because you take out your clothes them. You draw with the whole rat shit them where you show. You have to show all my passport. Right? You reach your show. You leaving a go on, where you show. The fact, you know what about me? You don't have nothing in there. And you leave. All you have in there is 2 pieces of clothes and you're leaving. Take them up and go on. You don't have to video nothing. You was there 12 years. And how long you living at the muck? How long you living at the muck? How long me living at the muck? You live there. So when you take up on a video and a show, and you live there too.